Let's move on to the extensions content. Here we have a component library. We'll start with sections and move in reverse order, creating a certain hierarchy. Sections are complete sections with their categories, such as call to actions, cards, hero, etc. You can use them as intended or experiment, which I'll also demonstrate with a practical example later. Next, we have the blocks section. These are smaller elements from which you can build your sections, offering more flexibility in development. The smallest elements, atoms, are in the components section. So from blocks, we can find elements like footer, navbar, reviews, FAQ, and in components, we see smaller elements like avatars, breadcrumbs, buttons, cards, etc. In the components section, there's also a very important section called system pages, which will be very useful to many. We hope you enjoyed this episode and find it valuable and now have more vision about what TheSprkl is about and how our extension could benefit your web development. Like and share this video if we've helped you achieve your goals. Subscribe to our channel to not miss new episodes and develop your new site into a successful and quality product. See you soon!